After vehemently opposing the quota bill, the Samajwadi Party has now warned the UPA government, accusing it of misusing the CBI and trying to frame the SP chief Mulayam Singh. Remember, former CBI Director U.S. Mishra on Friday told Times Now that there was in fact political pressure while investigating the Taj corridor case. The press release also accuses the BJP of being a part of the conspiracy.
Case like this against political bigwigs which comes to CBI, but some requests somewhere are made. So some such of pressures come and CBI director tries to handle it. Some sort of pressures and counter pressures come to CBI.
While the former CBI director ruffled a few feathers in the national capital with his explosive comments, now Samajwadi Party seems to have taken cue from the comments to step up attack against the UPA. Citing Times Now's interview with the former CBI chief U.S. Mishra, Samajwadi Party has accused the government of using the CBI as a blackmailing tool to target their party supremo. An allegation that the Congress is vehemently rubbishing.
CBI एक इंडिपेंडेंट बॉडी है, उसके मामले में, उसके काम में किसी तरीके का सरकार मदाखलत नहीं करती, CBI अपना काम अपने आप करती है.
But the allegations giving BJP fresh ammunition for launching another offensive against the centre.
ये बात हम लोग अनेक दिनों से कह रहे हैं कि मायावती जी हो, मुलायम सिंह जी हो, शिबू सोरेन जी हो और भी अंतर्गत जो उनकी पार्टियां हैं जिनके आज नाम लेना हमारे लिए ठीक नहीं है, उन सबको ये यूपीए का ट्रस्टेड अलायंस पार्टनर सीबीआई ब्लैकमेल करता है, दबाव डालता है और उसी के भरोसे ये सरकार चल रही है.
Samajwadi Party's outburst comes at a time when the party and the government are at loggerheads over the quota bill, which will face the test of the floor on Monday.
Even as the reservation in promotion bill comes for voting in the parliament, Mulayam Singh Yadav has thrown the challenge, firmly saying he is not a person who can be taken for granted. He has even said that he is likely to review his letter of support to the government here at the centre. Known to be a man who holds his aces tight to his chest till the last possible moment, the UPA would be closely watching him and waiting for the final decision.
Many question the timing of such a hard-hitting statement from the SP Supremo. With the government having already brought the Mayawati-backed quota bill to the floor of the House, it was just time before Mulayam stepped up the attack on the government. Bureau Report, Times Now.